really musical too, man.
It really is.
Yeah, you were right. Like probably high 20, low 30s. It does really good.
Yep.
Did you get inside and come with the milk too? Yeah, that's awesome. Could you tell me your name and what everything's in here, man?
Josh Jones.
Okay.
4 ZV515s on 2 SCV 7500s.
Okay.
200 amp hours of Ying Longs.
Nice. Wow, did you build this?
No, I bought the Blazer with
You
it.
did? Okay.
Yep.
Very nice. What is your port tune to on that? You don't know? What does it play frequency-wise, do you know, that does good on?
It does good from 30 and up.
30 and up?
Yeah, anything below, right around 30, it starts dropping off pretty heavy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Once these amps cool off, then I can demo.
Oh, you're good. What's your battery and alternator power?
200 amp hours of Ying Long, and then 370 amp McMahon
alternator. Can I see the alternator?
Yeah, absolutely.
Awesome. Thank you for the info, man.
Yeah.
I'll get a demo soon when it cools off.
Absolutely.
Battery bank delete.
Yep. I built that one myself.
Nice. Looks good. Anyway, I can get a picture of the wall real quick. The seat's up.
Grab my flathead.
Nice. Thank you for showing me, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. So the amps are really hot.
Yeah.
Oh, it's thermal protect. Yeah.
Absolutely.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around we got of Josh's system at the Sundown Audio Show in North Carolina. Really impressive to see how loud the system got. Actually, he had a heating issue right when I showed up for the demo, so we had a couple minutes we were talking and got a good bit of walk around footage, so I hope you all enjoyed that. Notice that he has a fire extinguisher, always safe to have for a system of this magnitude, with 15,000 watts on tap. And it's definitely pushing these subs pretty much to their limit during this demo. You can see actually the little red light was on that back amplifier, and it's probably had to do with just how hot it was outside. Camera doesn't really show heat, but it was over 100-degree heat index at this show. Amplifier cooling fan helps as well. And notice the way that port is. I didn't find out the material on it, but I like the way he has a cosmetic wrap at the front of the wall, and it's pretty much a total of 15,000 watts on this system. So I don't know how much he's actually clamping, but he's definitely putting all the juice. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't already for daily videos, and enjoy the demo.
too, man.
It really is.
Yeah, you were right. Like probably high 20, low 30s. It does really good.
Yep.
Thank you very much, man.
Man, absolutely.
What was your name again?
Josh Jones.
Justin.
Josh Jones.
Josh.
Yep.
All right, awesome. Everybody give a like to Josh. Appreciate the demo, man.
Yeah, man.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, everyone.